Science is the engine of all modernity we have. The device you use to watch this video has been made possible by the understanding of many scientific fields, such as physics, mathematics, informatics, and chemistry. Nowadays, scientists publish their work in peer-reviewed journals. The review's main goal is to verify the scientist's work by getting rid of the error from the original work. The original work will then be published without the error. Since 1975, a metric called the impact factor was created to rate scientific journals. The impact factor is computed by doing the mean quotation per publication in the last 2 years. It has since been used to rate peer-reviewed journals and later scientists. A high impact factor has been viewed rightfully as a proof of quality and novelty of article, and consequently of the journals. Scientists then started to read more articles from high impact factor journals and quote more articles from them. In return, it created a small market of higher quality journals. Because of this, the price of reading an article increased, even if the quasi-totality of the main work, the peer review, was done freely by the scientists. The impact factor and the number of publications rated per year have also been used by the institutions worldwide to rate scientists and give funding, creating a gap between domains that can be highly prolific and the ones that aren't. The consequence of the use of these two metrics by the institution puts the money focused on fast applied science and takes the money from slow fundamental science. While applied science gives fast and little improvement, the fundamental science allows big chance by giving a pool of knowledge usable by applied science. The actual over-focus on the applied science makes this pool drain faster than its fill. A lot of scientists are sick of this system. They rightfully call it publish or perish and want to change it. You can offer scientists a chance to change it by funding this project. We can give an opportunity for scientists to change the system by providing an online scientific journal with new writing method independent of the journal. Our scientific journal will provide 5 complementary writing methods. The estimated impact factor, which is retrocompatible with the impact factor, by allowing scientists to vote for the number of quotations they estimate the publication will have in 2 years. This gives an idea of the novelty and the importance of the work. The estimator score gives an incentive to scientists to try to do a more accurate estimate and avoid bashing or praising a publication. The skeptic score represents the ratio of accepted comments from the total of comments, which shows the capacity to find the errors. The publication score is computed with the number of errors found and corrected, showing the quality of publication submits and the capacity to correct it. The reviewer score represents the reviewer's activity by showing the percentage of comments rated. This score don't correct the bias of funding of the institution, because it's a political issue, but the fact they are independent from any journals allow a better competition between journals to take money from edition and give it to research. In our journal, all the score and the GDP per citizen will be involved in the computation of the price to publish a new publication. This way we can make great scientists and scientists living in poor countries pay less. We believe the interaction between scientists and the public is very important. To improve it, we want the publication to be freely accessible to everyone. Some scientific journals are already free to read, but we want to involve the public even more. The major step for an article to be published is to pass peer review. This process is used by other scientists in the same domain to help find the mistake in the pending article. When a mistake is found, the author has to correct it. Unfortunately, only the author and the reviewer will know what has been said in this process. We hope by making this exchange accessible for everyone, this will lead the public to a better understanding of the scientific method. However, we think this process can be improved by allowing more people to comment. The team which review a publication is pretty small, usually 3 to 5 scientists, and even if they are an expert, they can make mistakes. Anyone who has an interest in science could help us fix mistakes in the form such as the grammar or spelling of a word, and the content such as methodology or statistics. It will be possible for simple users and scientists of other fields to comment on a publication in our peer review. To be sure to not mislead the authors, the reviewer, in addition of their historic work, will have to check the comments and rate them. With this project, we hope to change the scientific edition into a more positive force. Thank you for listening.